I have always liked Honey Singh's music.
You've also said कि सारे पंजाबी गाने सेम लगते हैं आपको.
हाँ मुझे लगते हैं. सारी रात आहें भरता पल पल यादों में मरता माने ना मेरी मन मेरा थोड़े थोड़े होश मदहोशी सी है नीम बेहोशी सी है जाने कुछ भी ना मन मेरा. Chill kind of a guy, you know.
Okay.
I don't like to have a lot of hustle. My whole point of doing a lot of hard work is so that I can chill.
So you don't subscribe to नारायण मूर्ति सिंह के 70 घंटे काम करो वीक में.
मुझे no, not at all.
सैड मत रहो, सैड गाने मत बनाओ, काफी है ऑलरेडी.
Facebook also some people knew.
Yeah.
Instagram था ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Let's say at that time your song is leaked. What will you do? Where will you write that my song is leaked? At least 30% people.
Exactly, and honestly, I want to admit it that I only found out when I was researching for this
Yeah.
interview.
See.
And then your manager said कि इस पे बहुत सवाल हो गए, मत पूछना सवाल.
Very good deal at that time from a label to make like a proper album.
Can you tell us what the deal is or no?
I can tell you, but it's a very, very bad deal. Like it's 6 songs, and in I don't know, like a very fixed amount. I think 10 lakhs or something like that. Unless your song, even now, unless your song does very good on the
Yeah.
streams,
Yeah.
the income source is like very less.
Hello and welcome. My name is Sanya. You're watching me on Switch, and I have Gajendra Verma with me. Welcome to Switch.
Thank you so much.
आप एक शो करके आ रहे हो
हाँ जी.
और मुझे हमेशा से ये जानना था कि जब शो खत्म हो जाता है, इज द शो मोर एक्साइटिंग और इज द आफ्टर पार्टी मोर एक्साइटिंग?
I think the show is more exciting for sure. After party depend करता है, you know, कौन है साथ में, where
हाँ.
is it happening, yeah. But
Okay.
mostly show is like every show is exciting.
Tell me about your first show that ever happened, and then
Hmm.
we'll talk about Good Vibes only.
Okay, so first show is in Surat,
Okay.
and I think it was a public come ticketed come college show kind
Huh.
of a space, and I remember I was nervous. Usually I'm not, like now of course,
Huh.
but yeah, but it was such a good feeling to finally do something I always wanted to do as a kid.
मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने एक स्टेज इवेंट करा था
हाँ.
एंड मेरी आवाज़ ही चली गई थी, मतलब
हाँ.
वो सेम आवाज़ नहीं निकलती थी जो
हाँ,
यूजुअली
हाँ.
निकलती है.
Yeah.
क्या आप कुछ ऐसे प्रेप करते हो? बिकॉज आई नो पीपल ऐसे अपने वावल्स बोलते हैं जोर जोर से बिफोर द शो. व्हाट इज योर लाइक स्टेज पे जाने से पहले का
So I
routine?
have like these few warm up exercises
हाँ,
जो आपके like face muscle या throat muscle को थोड़ा सा
क्या
warm
है
up कर
वो?
देते. It's like some humming and some like lip rolls like like those things.
हाँ, हाँ.
Or what else is there? Like you have this fry voice, like
Fry voice क्या?
like this
ये
is
वाली?
fry voice.
Okay.
So you like sing sargam like saregama in
हाँ.
this.
Okay.
So it helps you open up your chest voice a little bit. So I do all this before the
Oh,
show.
और ये सब आपने कहाँ से सीखा है?
YouTube mostly.
Oh, okay. Your dad is also a writer.
Yeah.
Does he write songs?
He was a writer, yes. He used to write songs. Mostly he would love to write ghazals. So
अच्छा.
a lot of ghazals and a lot of short stories he has written. Yeah. So
Okay. So I want to straight come to Good Vibes Only, and then we'll go back and talk about more of your work.
Okay.
So tell me, Good Vibes Only क्या सोचा, क्यों रखा ये नाम, और क्यों ये गाने जो आपने इसमें हैं वो कैसे डिसाइड करे कि ये होने चाहिए?
okay. So see, as a person, I'm a very chill kind of a guy. You know,
Okay.
I don't like to have a lot of hustle. My whole point of doing a lot of hard work is so that I can chill. That's
Wow, very
good. That's my point of view in life. So
Yeah.
I want to chill as much as possible.
Yeah.
So the only reason I will do a hustle is so that later on it'll make things easier and chill for
So
me.
you don't subscribe to Narayan Murthy saying कि 70 घंटे काम करो वीक में.
मुझे no, not at
हाँ,
all. I
okay.
don't think so.
Same.
See, but the thing is, मन करेगा तो मैं कर लूंगा.
अच्छा हाँ.
But it has to be my own wish.
Yeah.
That is the thing. So that's chill, you know. मन करेगा तो I'll do it.
हाँ.
नहीं करेगा तो I won't. Like that's what I want in life.
Yeah.
So the point of making this album was that no matter what kind of situation you are in, you know, even in life or in love or, you know, any situation, you need to have that good vibe going on in life. You know, you don't have to, like, I don't think this world needs more sad faces
Yeah.
and more sad songs also.
Okay.
Like everyone crave for more sad songs, but ठीक है, मतलब you can have some good vibe sad song also. Like you don't have to frown all the time and
Yeah.
you know be sad.
Yeah.
You can be sad and still have
Chill time.
have some hot chocolate, have some pancakes and have good vibes and then sulk, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so you are saying कि sad मत रहो, sad गाने मत बनाओ, काफी है already.
हाँ, मतलब देखो काफी तो है, मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा रोने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको ना.
Okay.
मतलब कभी तो मैच्योर हो गए आप लाइफ में ना
हाँ.
कि हाँ मैं रोता था किसी टाइम पे,
हाँ.
बट अब मुझे हैंडल करना आता है वो.
But from emptiness जो बिल्कुल रोने धोने वाला गाना है
हाँ.
to this, how has this shift come?
मैं भी तो लाइक तब मैं 19 साल का था.
हाँ.
अब मैं 34 साल का हो गया हूँ.
हाँ.
तेरा घाटा आया था जब मैं 28 साल का था. तो
But तेरा घाटा was also flipped to emptiness.
वही कह रहा हूँ ना, तो
हाँ.
बंदा इंसान ग्रो होता है ना
हाँ.
टाइम के साथ,
और
दिखना भी चाहिए.
You think move on कर जाते हैं फिर लोग?
It becomes you know like it's like आप पहली बार जिम जाते हो.
हाँ.
है ना, वो
मैंने
5
अभी तक. But okay.
हाँ तो ठीक है, 5 किलो का भी वेट उठाओगे
हाँ.
तो हैवी लगेगा.
हाँ.
4 महीने बाद आप 10 किलो भी उठा लोगे. 5 साल लगातार करोगे आप 50 किलो उठाने लगोगे. तो ऐसे इमोशंस को भी तो आपको यू नो उठाने की
हाँ.
आपकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है विद टाइम, और बढ़नी भी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. बट नाउ दैट यू से कि मैं इतना मेच्योर हो गया हूँ कि ऐसे वाले गाने लिखता हूँ, व्हाट इफ यू टेक अस बैक टू द टाइम व्हेन यू वर राइटिंग एम्प्टीनेस? क्या उसका एक्चुअली कोई इंस्पिरेशन था या फिर?
Yeah, definitely. Has to be.
Can you tell us about that or no?
I can give you a gist of it. Like,
Yeah, give us a gist.
So, yeah, I think that would be my first ever love.
Okay.
उससे पहले crushes हुए हैं स्कूल में and all. That was like the first college, first year, second year
Yeah.
love, and it was not like a very long thing, but for me it was like, मतलब उस टाइम अलग ही सीन था ना. you're like बस अब ये this is it, शादी करेंगे, काम करेंगे and done हो जाएगा. So that kind of a thing. And then we like it was a long.
This is also your first relationship?
Yeah, first
अच्छा,
ever.
हाँ.
So like उससे पहले तो I'm telling you ना, like it
Crushes
was all
थे.
crushes and
हाँ,
all.
flings
Yeah,
and all.
हाँ, not even flings, like
अच्छा.
back then schools में इतने
हाँ.
relationships नहीं होते थे, you know. So
हाँ.
yeah, so then it became like a long distance, and then it didn't, like for some reason, whatever reason, वो नहीं, like it couldn't sustain, and yeah, I had a pretty bad patch there.
Yeah.
And that's when this song was
और फिर
written.
टूटे दिल से संगीत निकला.
टूटे दिल से संगीत निकलता तो है. for
हाँ,
sure.
बट ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे लोगों को ये इस पे बात कर चुके हैं कैसे आपका गाना जो था वो लीक हो गया था.
हाँ जी.
आई वांट टू नो कि अगर अभी एट दिस टाइम किसी के साथ ऐसा हो कि उनका गाना लीक हो जाए और अपलोड हो जाए, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दे कैन डू नाउ, और
अभी
शुड दे डू एनीथिंग, बिकॉज यू डिडंट डू एनीथिंग.
हाँ, I think I think it'll be a little tough to leak a song now, क्योंकि as soon as it gets leaked on the internet, you will try everything and you know claim it back also.
हाँ.
तब तो वो भी नहीं था ना.
हाँ. हाँ.
अब like let's say in 2010,
हाँ.
when there is Facebook also, some people knew.
Yeah.
Instagram था ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Let's say at that time your song is leaked. What will you do? Where will you write that my song is leaked? Or how will you claim it back? So now it's, even if it's get leaked, so कुछ ना कुछ करके you will claim it back somehow. And there is like copyright laws are there,
हाँ
and like you can claim it back.
yeah
So it's for the new artists, they should register to the, you know, we have copyright firms or IPRS. They should register to those society and get their like as soon as they make their song,
claim it and get it back.
they should submit it. You
Hmm.
you can submit your song to those society,
Yeah
and if it get leaks, or this way you can, you know, circulate your song also. You can pitch it to directors,
yeah
email it to people,
yeah
so without the risk of getting
हाँ
like leaked.
या मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा था जिसमें आपने बोला कि मैंने कुछ नहीं करा क्योंकि
हाँ
मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं क्लेम ले भी लेता वो इतना वायरल हो चुका था
हाँ, yes,
कि इट
yes.
वुड यू नो नेवर बी ऑन योर नेम.
I don't think still also, like, I think at least 30% people
Exactly, and honestly, I want to admit it that I only found out when I was researching for this
yeah.
interview.
See,
Because I like listening to songs, but मेरा ऐसा नहीं है कि I would go to like
Yeah.
musicians
yeah,
and like
yeah.
read up all their work, and I only found out now. And then your manager said कि इस पे बहुत सवाल हो गए, मत पूछना सवाल. So I was like, I would not ask it, but a lot of people don't know कि आपने लिखा है
Yeah,
MTS.
yeah. But it's fine. I like it. Like, it's like, see, the thing is why I'm saying I like it, because every artist would love to have something or the other talked about,
Yeah,
and it's a good story
it's
to
a
be
good story, yeah,
to
for
be
sure.
talked about.
So, if that, God forbid, but it had happened to you again, what would your reaction be now? Would you still be chill?
I think I'll be more chiller than I was before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like that time though, you didn't even know that, you know, I could make another song.
Yeah.
Like, it felt like, you know how in relationships also ना, it feels like कि अब मुझे दोबारा प्यार कैसे होगा.
हाँ, अब वापस टॉकिंग स्टेज पे कैसे आए? हाँ.
तो तब तो ऐसा लगता था कि मुझसे दोबारा गाना बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा ना. Like, I didn't know that पहला गाना बना लिया पर दूसरा बनेगा कि नहीं.
हाँ.
So, but now I know that even if it gets leaked.
Yeah, I think what there is to learn from that is कि एक वायरल गाना बनाने के लिए आपको एक लेबल नहीं चाहिए, म्यूजिक वीडियो नहीं चाहिए.
Yes, that's what I actually.
Just good work.
Yes, that's actually what I learned from it. Absolutely. That was my learning truly, that, you know, whatever I'm making is good enough for people, and they are listening to it, and you need a good song for it to, you know, get people's love or attention. You know, like,
Yeah.
nothing else. Like, you don't need so many things. Of course, you need like things, but like the core of it should be a good song.
But you think कि अभी अगर कोई बहुत ही बढ़िया गाना बनाए तो वो स्टिल इतना वायरल हो सकता है? बिकॉज
I think
इतनी भीड़ है अब.
I think it gets its due for sure. If it's a good song, no matter what, even if it takes like 1 year, 2 year, 4 years, 5 years, it will surface for sure. You know, we have so many examples. I'll give you my example is one.
Yeah.
You know, then we have Prateek Kuhad.
Yeah.
His songs were also in the start, if you see, were not very famous. Then, because they were good songs, eventually got surfaced. Anuv Jain's the first song, Barishein, was very, like, it was released way back.
Yeah.
And then it got
Even
surfaced.
that singer Chand Balia wala.
Yes. Yeah. Aditya, he's also from the same place I am born in, like, from Sirsa. Yeah, in his song as well. So, like, if it's a good song, then it's gonna surface.
Yeah. I have recently watched Chamkila.
हाँ जी.
और मुझे ऐसा लगा the kind of songs he sung just to show what the society is like was a very bold move. Would you ever want to, you know, change your genre from love and like good vibes and like move on to something like that?
I would love to. I hope I do someday.
Yeah.
Okay,
I want to know the story of Man Mera, क्योंकि emptiness की story काफी लोगों को पता है, but Man Mera की story नहीं पता. How did that come to you?
So, Man Mera is originally a single of mine.
Yeah.
before it came into a movie. So I did a single, and that was also launched on Eros. Like Manmera is also Table Number 21 is also a Eros movie. So we did a song with Eros, like a single of mine, and I uh, I had a very uh, like I have these two sides of making music. One is I love to sing in very folk Punjabi
Hmm.
style,
Yeah.
which is Sufi, that whole scenario.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then there's another side of me which is very Western. Like I'll go for oh love of mine directly. Like there is no in
Yeah.
between. Like
Yeah.
I wouldn't go a mix of Hindi and English. That's
Yeah.
not something. Like I have a very Punjabi folk
And
style.
that is also very chill, वैसे.
Yeah.
That some people are like so into this thing कि हमें इसी language में गाने गाने हैं, and it's chill that you can move on from language to
Yeah.
language.
Yes, that's what like I like what I feel is I've always what do you say, realized this time from time to time that if I do something which has come from my heart and which is very natural to me, it actually relates to people.
Hmm.
Like when I put up a face or put up a act,
Yeah.
it doesn't like it doesn't give the same effect as the natural scenario. Yeah, so it's better to stick to that. So yeah, Manmera, I wanted to make a song which is very Sufi, very Punjabi, and
And this was after Emptiness.
yes, this is after
ठीक है.
Emptiness.
हाँ.
Yeah, so after Emptiness, I started making songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause like once it got leaked, I got a very that time very good deal. Not a very good deal right now. Not at all,
हाँ.
for sure. A very good deal at that time from a label to make like a proper album. So I started making song for that.
Can you tell us what the deal is or no?
I
Skip
can
it.
tell you, but
हाँ.
it's a very, very bad deal. Like I don't even like remember very correctly, but it was like we did like about 6 songs for
Including Man Mera, which was a super duper hit.
no. So I'll tell you.
Okay.
So 6 songs, and in I don't know, like a very fixed amount. I think 10 lakhs or something like that.
10 lakhs for 6 songs.
Yeah, for 6 songs, and but they were the deal was that we'll make a video for your
Oh,
for 2 of your songs.
okay.
But the second song never happened actually, but it's okay, fine, no problem.
Mhm.
But yeah, 6 songs, 10 lakh rupees, and a music video for Emptiness we did in
Yeah.
Europe. So yeah, but at that time for a college student
Yeah,
to
must
shoot
have
a
been
video
great.
in Europe, and no indie scene is happening right now. It's
Yeah.
people can say that anyone would put 10 lakhs on an indie song, but
Yeah.
that time no one was ready, so it was a very good deal that time. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. So yeah, in that album, coming back to Manmera, in that album I had a song called Mera Man Jage,
Okay.
which was later on was taken in a movie called Bittu Boss. It goes like Man Jage Sari Raat. It's again like that Sufi folk. So I wanted to make like a single
Yeah.
because I couldn't do anything about that album because the deal was not very good and nothing happened of
Yeah.
all the other songs. So I wanted to make a single like that Sufi Punjabi thing. And Asim Ahmed, who is the lyricist of Man Mera, he wrote a very beautiful lyrics for Man Mera, the original one also. तो वो गाना मैंने बनाया, and I was actually prepping for my next album. And I always was fascinated by doing albums. So I wanted to do like full album, and Man Mera happened, and then we released it on Eros, and finally the director of Table Number 21, he heard the song
Yeah.
in Eros office or somewhere.
उनकी पिक्चर से ज्यादा तो गाना चला था.
but मूवी बहुत अच्छी थी एक्चुअली.
Yeah, I love the
Yeah.
movie.
तो उन्होंने इरोस के ऑफिस में गाना सुना, एंड देन ही कॉल्ड मी अप दैट they want a song, but they want a romantic
Yeah.
version of it.
Okay.
So then we wrote a romantic Man Mera version.
Was it tough to get back and write a song after what had happened with Emptiness?
No. Absolutely not. I think it was all kind of positives. I was so motivated after that. I was like, yeah, I can do this. You know,
Hmm.
before that, I used to think, do I want to get into composition? I wanted to get into music direction,
Yeah.
like a music composer for films. Or should I go as an indie artist? You know, I
Hmm.
had like Lucky Ali as my favorite or A.R. Rahman as my favorite. So I was like
Yeah.
choosing, should I do music direction like A.R. Rahman, or should I do independent music like Lucky Ali? So
Yeah.
after this Emptiness happened, it was clear to me that I want to do indie now.
But independent artist होने के बहुत struggles भी होंगे, of course,
Absolutely.
including people not paying you
Absolutely.
on time.
Yeah.
What are the struggles like, and why did you never want to join like a label?
So independent artist के struggles. First of all, you have to pay for everything yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, and it costs a lot,
Yeah.
including like video, marketing, your team.
Yeah.
You know, lot of
Equipments, everything. Yeah.
हाँ मतलब वीडियो में तो बहुत ही
हाँ,
खर्चा है.
हाँ.
Then उसके बाद marketing of that song
हाँ.
has to be, then audio itself to make it like studio recordings and everything.
Yeah.
It's itself is
Is it getting cheaper now? Or
yeah, it is. It has.
Yeah.
Like we have a lot of videographers nowadays. No, you know, like
yeah.
a lot of directors we have.
Yeah.
So everyone's coming up with their idea of making songs, and it's very nice. Like how people shoot a video in a very small room, and
Yeah.
it looks so good.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's become very good now.
Hmm.
But yeah, these are like the struggles. Plus, the income source is like, unless your song, even now, unless your song does very good on the
Yeah.
streams,
Yeah.
the income source is like very less. But nowadays, one thing which has happened very, which is very good for the artists is there are a lot of clubs and cafes which they have like live acts happening every weekend.
Yeah.
So like, even like if you are a good singer, you get paid at least, you know.
Hmm.
Back then there was no such thing, so only thing we had to make money was your
YouTube.
song has to do well.
Yeah.
There was no other way of earning anything.
Yeah.
I used to do a lot of side jobs.
Okay.
I used to do a music background score for TV shows. I used to do jingles whenever,
कौन
you
सी
know.
टीवी शो के लिए करा आप?
Oh, there was Channel V पे आते थे. It was like youth shows. One was called Humse Alive.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So
हमसे alive यार वो आपने करा?
that's my song.
Oh,
I'm singing
wow.
that. Feel the night.
Yeah.
And then feel like a kite. Yeah, that
Oh
song. Yeah.
wow.
So Humse Alive was one. और भी थे दो तीन. I think Surveen Chawla, like Google something
Okay.
like that. So I've done this. Then I used to do jingles for radio. What else? I used to sing for ads as well. So like all these things. Yeah.
Hmm.
I've also done like as a sound engineer, I've worked in radio as well in Big FM
Okay.
for about a year. Yeah.
Yeah.
After Emptiness. This is after Emptiness.
Yeah. Is there a artist that you want to collaborate with?
I would love to do collaboration. I'll actually love. I have always liked Honey Singh's music,
Hmm.
you know, and there is one rapper from Pakistan as well. His name is Faris Shafi.
Okay.
Yeah, I would love to collaborate with him as well.
You've also said कि सारे पंजाबी गाने सेम लगते हैं आपको.
हाँ, मुझे लगते हैं.
So tell us about that कि you're a Punjabi, you also want to
हाँ, but now
collaborate.
it's changing, you know.
Yeah, you
अब नहीं लगते. अब तो you have so many different genres in Punjabi,
yeah,
not just Bhangra.
yeah,
Like, you
true,
know.
true. But you want to collaborate with Honey Singh, you said,
हाँ,
and would you want to do a Punjabi song with him?
हाँ, because his music is different. No, every song
Yeah.
you see, like there is He'll do a hip hop track, then he'll do a R&B track, then he'll do a house track, like
Yeah.
different genres.
So टीम बादशाह और हनी सिंह में आप हनी सिंह हो
Definitely.
और ब्राउन रंग किसने लिखा आपको पता है?
I don't care, but it's a nice song.
बहुत सारे इंडिया में कॉन्सर्ट्स का कल्चर अब बढ़ रहा है, लाइक वीसी के टिकट्स इतनी जल्दी सोल्ड आउट हो गए एंड कोल्ड प्ले का
Hmm.
भी ऐसा हो रहा है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैज ब्रॉट दिस चेंज?
I think most of it has to be with Instagram, of course. People all over the world in India are watching those live shows and they're saying, okay, people are having fun, it's something to do, you know. So they want to do this. They want to get into those live shows, and that exposure was never there. Like I remember I used to be the one in my whole group, wherever, like I've had like a school group, college group, everyone has that, like a school group, a college group, and then you have then working group or cousins, and so I used to be the one who used to show people live shows ka video, क्योंकि otherwise how would you see it? Live shows का वीडियो आपने नहीं देखा होगा इंस्टाग्राम से पहले, कहीं नहीं देखा होगा. मतलब मेरे जैसे ही कोई होते होंगे जो म्यूजिक पसंद करते हैं, जो डाउनलोड करते थे ब्रायन एडम्स की वीडियो, इसके वीडियो, उसके वीडियो, फिर पूरे ग्रुप को दिखाते थे. सो पर ये इंस्टाग्राम से तो इट्स लाइक अ क्लिक अवे, नो. सो पीपल हैव सीन दोज, एंड दे वांट टू बी देयर बिकॉज इट्स ऑफ कोर्स फन टू बी इन अ लाइव शो. एंड पहले होते नहीं थे इंडिया में, तो नहीं पता था. अब होंगे तो लाइक दैट्स हाउ.
यू टॉक्ड अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम, तो बहुत लोग ऐसे भी अब गाने बनाते हैं कि एक रील का हुक होना चाहिए जिससे वो फेमस हो जाए. वो सही लगता है आपको या गलत लगता है?
यार पहले भी हुक तो होता ही था गाने में, लाइक एवरी सॉन्ग हैड अ हुक. सो ठीक है, अब इंस्टाग्राम के लिए बना लो, ठीक है. आई डोंट, इफ इट हैज टू बी अ गुड सॉन्ग, डजंट मैटर, लाइक I don't care about.
But do you think this
कौन कैसे
strategy is good? Because like
क्या प्रोसेस है, कुछ फर्क नहीं
पर
पड़ता.
जैसे करण औजला का गाना आया तौबा तौबा,
हाँ.
and just because of that step, just because of that hook in that song, it worked. So do you think ये अच्छी strategy है कि?
But do you think the song is good or not?
It's great. It's a great song.
Then it's good. If the song was bad, I would say it's not good.
Yeah.
The song has to be good.
But I'm saying to strategize and market your song. Is that a good strategy or is it a bad strategy?
It's a business now, like like music is a business also. So it has to be, see, let me put it this way. So in a music business, you know how many people works in Spotify? Let's say, like, I don't know how many, but let's just assume maybe like 200 people. None of them are artists. But they're doing music. How do they get paid? Because it's a business. So when they are getting paid, then so money has to put in from somewhere for them, for everyone else to get paid. No, only artist is not getting paid. Artist is only getting paid 30% of the whole scenario. 70% of the whole money which is in music business is getting paid to the everyone around them. No, so it's a business, like a proper business. So money has to be put like in marketing and stuff. So yeah.
Coming back to your genre of songs, I want to know what is it that you have learnt about love through writing these songs?
I think about myself, I think I've learned a lot. That would be I think I'm more honest when I'm vulnerable.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what I've learned. And when I'm like really low or hurt, that's when I'm the most honest in a song.
So when you're hurt, do you listen to sad song or do you listen to good vibes?
Depends. See, I listen to, I think the most sad song I heard on repeat, I'm not including Emptiness in that, because I've not heard it.
What do you mean you've not heard it?
I've just sang it, no, a lot of times.
Okay.
Like technically.
Yeah. Do you have a love-hate relationship with that song?
With Emptiness?
Yeah.
No, I like it. Like it's now it feels, it feels like it's not my song anymore.
Okay.
It feels like
Which is not a great thing.
I am a representative of a song. Like I don't know if it makes sense. It feels like I'm a representative of a song, which people love so much, and like the song has its own identity.
But who is Rohan Rathore? I've never. Who is he?
I don't know.
Is it a made up story?
Yeah, I think I don't think there's anyone like any character which is Rohan Rathore and who is from IIT Guwahati.
But
And
usually मुझे लगता है अगर किसी ने ऐसा करा होगा when he saw that इतना सक्सेस हो गया वो खुद आके एडमिट कर लेगा
हाँ
कि
वही
मुझसे
ना, तो
गलती
वही
हो गई.
है नहीं कोई.
तो रोहन राठौड़ doesn't exist.
हाँ, I don't think so. It
But
does.
it's a good story that they
It's
made.
nice. It's
कि
nice.
कैंसर हो गया था छोड़ के
हाँ,
चले
if you would
गए.
ask me then, I would say it's not. But now, I think it's, yeah.
It's a good story. Okay. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
giving us time.
Thank you.
And all the best for Good Vibes.
Thank you
But
so much.
before I let you, you have to sing a song.
All right.
Can it be Man Mera?
Man Mera, okay.
Okay.
I was gonna say Man Mera only.
Oh, wow.
सारी रात आहें भरता, पल पल यादों में मरता, माने ना मेरी मन मेरा. थोड़े थोड़े होश मदहोशी सी है, नीम बेहोशी सी है, जाने कुछ भी ना मन मेरा. कभी मेरा था पर अब बेगाना है ये, दीवाना दीवाना समझे ना. ओ कभी चुप चुप रहे, कभी गाया ये करे, बिन पूछे तेरी तारीफें सुनाया ये करे. है कोई हकीकत तू या कोई फसाना है, कुछ जाने अगर तो इतना के ये तेरा दीवाना है रे मन मेरा. ओ माने ना मन मेरा.
The question that I want to ask you was, आपका हेयर केयर रूटीन क्या है?
है रूटीन.
ये कैसे आपके इतने लंबे लंबे बाल हो रहे हैं?
यार अभी मैंने किए हैं. You know what? I'll tell you the reason behind it.
हाँ.
So, everyone expect an artist to be, all like stylish and blingy and stuff,
हाँ.
But I'm too chill to, do
Yeah.
मेहनत on that. So, my whole point was कि मैं tattoos करा लूँगा, बाल बढ़ा लूँगा. I'll look like an artist. Good for me.
पर ये आपने बढ़ाए कैसे? हर लड़के के बाल झड़ रहे हैं, आपने कैसे बढ़ा रखे हैं?
So, what do I do? I think
तेल लगाते हो आप?
नहीं, तेल नहीं लगाता मैं ज़्यादा.
Okay.
So what I do is, but you have to like chumpy your
Chumpy, हाँ.
head,
हाँ.
like the scalp,
हाँ.
not just the hair. Like
हाँ.
the scalp should have enough blood flowing.
हाँ.
That's what I.
खुद करते हो चंपी?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे ही आप बैठ के ना जस्ट यूं भी कर सकते हो, अच्छा
हाँ.
लगता है.
हाँ.
Like उसमें blood flow होता है, तो I think the hair
तो
gets
चंपी
the.
करना is your hair routine, hair care routine.
हाँ,
और कुछ भी
चंपी.
करते हो?
Then you have to shampoo. I don't shampoo more than twice in a week.
Okay.
But when there's like continuous shows
हाँ.
or shoot, then I have to
तब
do it
करना
every
होता है.
day.
हाँ.
हाँ. But apart from that, that is there. Then there's this product which a very good friend of mine, she gave it to me, that I use.
क्या प्रोडक्ट है हमें बताओ?
It's like a what do you call? It's like leave-in hair
Leave-in
mask.
conditioner.
Hair mask.
Hair mask. अच्छा.
Leave-in. हाँ. It's called K19 or something.
Okay.
Something. It's nice.
ठीक.
It works for me.
Good promotion. Everybody should use it ताकि बाल ना गिरे.
Yeah,
Thank
it
you
does.
so much.
It does work for me.
Thank you so much. Can you
Thank you.
tell everybody to subscribe to Switch?
Hi, this is Gajendra Verma. Like, share, subscribe to Switch.